Hello everyone, this is The Unspeakable at Innerscapes Art Studios. This is my palette and I'm using 1 drop of silicone in each cup. I painted this painting about a month ago and it is the Golden Heavy Body Acrylics mixed with Vallejo Pouring Medium. Look how they dissolve into each other into the cup. This was a huge experiment for me, a trial of the Vallejo Pouring Medium. And it made some interesting patterns. And this holiday, there are going to be many interesting patterns for me. And some that I would really love to avoid, but I cannot. So I'm going head first or diving head first into a really difficult situation. And with kind of some cranky people who make the situation even more difficult than it has to be. And that is not easy to deal with. And I do all of my centering meditations and prayers, practices, breathing. The most important is to get enough sleep and then to eat nutritious foods and not too much sugar and caffeine. I know that, but still the entanglements are so deep. And it's really a puzzle. That puzzle is on my plate, and I'm trying actually not to think about it and plan it out in advance, even though the cells in my body have a whole lot of trepidation going on. I'm trying to stay present and prepare as best as I can and enjoy the preparation as much as I can and the cool weather and everything that's delightful that I'm doing right now instead of projecting my fears into the future, which is very easy to do. And I have to remind myself to stop when I catch myself doing that. So right now, this is immensely pleasurable, editing and doing artwork. And all through all of this, I've tried to do artwork, even though some of it is so disturbing I don't feel like doing artwork. I'm just doing it anyway. And interesting things come out in terms of expressions of shapes and forms and colors that make associations from below the surface consciousness and make stories and ideas and what can you see in this picture come to the surface. And that tells a lot about what's going on inside of me and you as the viewer about what's going on inside of you. Abstract art is kind of amazing that way because it's not a definite thing. So anything that you see in abstract art is from you. Even though it may be cultural, even though everyone might see the same thing, I see lots of things in this, and they're kind of fun, and they're somewhat primal, and you can leave me a comment and tell me what you see. Thank you so much for watching me, and I hope to see you soon in the next video.